to Give It a Shot channel. My name is Kyle. I'm just an ordinary guy with no culinary skills whatsoever. I'm here to tackle recipes that were given to you from your parents, from your family, maybe from the internet, even some from YouTube. And at the end of the video, after I try these recipes, I'm gonna rate them from 1 to 10. 10 being, I would definitely give it a shot again. 1 being, no way, not gonna happen. So, I'd like to welcome you all to come on this journey with me, and let's see how this goes. Let's move on to recipe number 1. Alright, so what we're actually gonna do first, we're gonna do stuffed French toast. We're gonna take cream cheese, we're gonna take jelly. You could substitute that stuff if you don't like it, but we're gonna give that a shot. And you're gonna take it, put it in the bread, you're gonna roll it, and bake it on the stove that way. All right. So let's go check out the ingredients we're gonna need. So here are the ingredients that we're going to use today. We're gonna have milk, vanilla extract, sugar, cinnamon sugar, because you can't ever have enough sugar, jelly, and cream cheese. So the actual French toast recipe is going to be 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 eggs. So you're going to mix that up. In the meantime, we're going to take the bread. We're actually going to roll the bread, which I'll show you later. And then we're going to put the jelly and the cream cheese in the middle, dip it into the first batch of things that we made, and then we'll go on our way. So let's continue this journey. Okay, so we're going to take our 1 cup of milk, we're going to take our 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, eggs are done, the milk is done. We're going to take our vanilla extract. Skoosh. Take our sugar. Okay, and let's get the beater. You want to whisk this until all the eggs are taken apart and it's nice and smooth. Okay, so that is basically the French toast recipe part of it. I'm going to now transfer this into something a little bit bigger. Okay, so that part is done. Step 1 for this is taking off, well, you can if you want, taking off the crust. So I'm going to peel off all the crust of the bread, and that would be step 1. Okay, so all the crust has been taken off. That was kind of time consuming, but that's what they want. So now we're going to actually roll the bread out and make it nice and flat. So I will continue that for all the slices I have. I'm going to take the piece of bread, we're gonna slice a little bit of the cream cheese. Add the cream cheese to the bread. We're gonna take some jelly. Not too much jelly. And then we're going to roll it. Like such. And we're going to continue this process until everything is done. So one more time, you take the cream cheese, we take the jelly, and then you're going to roll it. Okay, so I have finished rolling everything. So now we're going to move on to the next step, which is basically making the French toast. I'm going to take the pan and actually spray it with some pan. You could use butter. I just use pan. And we'll turn it on. Normally it's a little bit above medium, around 6 or 7. Okay. Okay, so we finished rolling these, and now we're going to dip it. We're going to dip it into our egg mixture. And place it onto the pan. Okay, so once that's all done, after waiting a little bit, we're going to rotate them on the pan so they get cooked evenly on all 4 sides and crispy. Obviously this was a lot of egg mixture that we really needed for these 6 pieces of bread that we made. So we could probably cut that down a little bit. Or if you're making it for more people, which quite possibly you could be, maybe that would be enough. Okay, so we'll start to rotate them. It seems to work, as in turning them in kind of more of a rectangle, and we'll let that side cook until all 4 sides are done. So as we let those 4 sides cook, continue to flip them so all 4 sides get done evenly. That is basically the steps that we're going to take to finish this off. And then we can actually try our taste test to see if I will give it a shot again. Okay, so it look about done. As you see, all 4 sides have been toasted. So we'll take them off and put it on the plate. And then this is where we'll add some of the cinnamon sugar. You can do that prior. If you have toaster strudel of the little icing packets, you could sprinkle that on as well. All right, so the finishing touch, it's finally done. We're gonna dig in now and see how this tastes. Okay? Let's start with this one over here. That tastes very well. Very good. Indeed. So, if I had to give this a rating, I think I would rate it an 8. I could definitely see me making this for my family. On the weekend, we normally make breakfast. So this could definitely be a meal that I would make. The reason I wouldn't give it a higher rating is because it does take a lot of time and effort to get to the point of actually making it. You know, rolling out the bread, taking off the bread crust. And like I said, you could eliminate not taking off the bread crust. You could try that, save some time. But the process itself does take a little bit of effort. However, the actual taste, I think it is worth it. So I would definitely give it a shot one more time. So thanks for joining us. I'd like to thank you all for coming onto this channel. Please subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and leave any comments. Things you think you want to see me try to do, or if there's things that you think I could do better. All right. Thanks again for tuning in. Join us next time on Give It a Shot.